Alrighty, so you're going down the path of getting the advertising out there on your social platforms. What's a few steps that you need to consider before you get this going? One, what's the message, what's the outcome that you're looking for? Number one, who is it for? Who is the audience you're speaking to, and what is the pain point that you are resolving for them? What's your budget? Please don't put an ad in there with no budget, with no thought process on that. Refer back to your cash flow forecast or your budget and just check what have you allowed for, check what are the going rates at the moment if you can find that on Google, and implement and stick to a budget, okay? So therefore then you need to work out, well, what is the return on investment I'm looking for? KPI, key performance indicators. Is there a number of leads? Is there a number of sales, a number of products sold, a number of sign-ups? Think that through. What is it that you want to get as a result of that? Then think about, well, what format? Is it going to be an image? Is it going to be a video? Is it going to be a GIF? Any number of things that you can do on the various platforms, and then get it posted. Which platform? Post it, and what time of day? When's it going to go? Do you need to put it in your scheduling software? And then, for goodness sake, don't set and forget, monitor, monitor, monitor. Look at the performance of those ads. Are you getting the feedback that you need? Are you getting the return on investment? And you might find you've got a couple of ads. You might be split testing it. One performs better than the other. Look in the detail. Why? What's the difference between the two? And just tweak as you need to. But you must monitor. There is no point in spending a lot of time and effort and money and putting an ad out there and not monitoring and understanding how you need to tweak it, because I can guarantee you it won't be perfect, and marketing is one of those things you just need to keep going back and checking and revising.